Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Renee. So today I'm going to carry you guys with me again to work. I'm supposed to do like a hair update of the growth of my hair, but I'm going to wait for 1 month and then I'll do my video. Yeah, but today I'm going to do a little vlog again like my last one. And yeah, let's see how today goes. So I'm gonna have a smoothie, but before I drink my smoothie, I'm going to eat my porridge. So this is oatmeal and a mini porridge. And for my smoothie, I didn't add any sweetener in it. Anytime I go there to get a smoothie, I always tell them don't put no sugar or nothing in my smoothie because I like to go the healthier way when it comes on to food. So that is my breakfast. For my lunch, I had cocoa bread and cow skin soup, and I love cow skin soup from Juici patties because it has okra and stuff like that, which is good for my tummy. And I really, really love them soup. So all I did this day was basically eat. I had a one client, but that was it. But for my day two, I had a client. She came in, her wig, she washed her wig, but the glue was still on it. So I took the glue off, and then I asked her she want me to customize it because this is her second time wearing it, and she said yes. So I customized it. She said she also wanted a little color in it. She wanted it to be lighter because it was black. So I did that as well. And this is the hair when after I customized it and stuff like that. I moosed it down so I would get the hair out of my way when I was applying it. So I applied it and she went home. So this is my second client for the day, who is actually my sister, but she's my client because she pays me. So she's my client. So I went in to apply her wig. My third client, who is actually my niece as well, she came in to get her hair washed. So her hair is colored, and I told her that it need to be treated. So I washed it, I treated it, and I molded it down. Meanwhile, I was doing my sister's wig. So this was after I moved the elastic band, and that's how it was laying. So I did her baby hair off camera, and she said before she bought the wig, she said that when she was watching the reviews, one of the girls added in water to help to bring back the hair to life, and it worked. Surprisingly, it worked. Just holding down the sides with my Tresemme, and I'm going to use my blow dryer and warm. And this is the sensational Cloud9 Swiss lace wig. She bought this here last year and she finally wearing it. I mean, I recommend this wig. However, if you have a big head, well, is that bad? But yeah, but if you have a big head, like, it would not go ear to ear. You could make it work, but it not really going. If you want like a ketchup hairstyle, it's not going to work. But otherwise, from that, this is a nice hair. So I also went in on a tinta brows. A tinta brows brown, but they look burgundy for some reason. Oh, the light from the phone. That's why they look burgundy, but it's actually brown. So as you guys can see, this is a nice wig. I love the lace. It just melts into her skin, and she love the hair, she love the outcome, she love how it looks. I love it too as well. Yo, I love doing wigs. I mean, makeup is my first and makeup will always be my first, but I love doing wigs as well. And guys, if you want to see like a more in-depth video of how I apply my wig, so I do my baby hairs and stuff like that, then let me know down below in the comments. I'll definitely give you guys that video. So this is my client who I customized her wig. So she came back and she's getting her hairstyle. So she said she wanted the up down hairstyle. I didn't know that that was her original plan. If I did knew, then I would recommend her to buy here so I could put at the top. But I had to make it work. 'Cause you know, sometimes when you do the up down with lace wigs, the tracks show sometimes, the mesh shows sometimes. So you just have to know how to fix it, how to correct it. Um, I the There was a piece of the lace that was showing. I actually fixed that part with my brown hairspray. So yeah, it was fixed and
This was her first time coming to me. She normally puts on lace wigs because she actually travels. She mostly lives overseas. So when she do come down, and she come down when it's her birthday time, because today is her birthday. So she comes to Jamaica when it's close to her birthday, and she gets her hair done and her nails done and everything. So yeah, this is how the hair looks. She said she was seeing some white, but it wasn't white. It was just the fact that the elastic band hold it down, and it like made an imprint, and then the light was shining on it, so it looked white, but it wasn't white. So yeah. So I believe my client, she's what, 53 or 54, I think, but she a hot girl. She's a hot girl. She a hot girl woman, big woman. So yeah, guys, this is her hair. I really love it. I love how her baby hair came out. She loved her baby hair. And I love my curls and everything. I sprayed it down and let it hold. Yeah, I really, really, really loved her hair. So guys, my my last client for the day was my friend. She works downstairs. Her name is Ali. She does makeup and brow tintings as well, but she gets her underarms waxed by me. Guys, I told you before, like my first day, I mostly eat, and I had one client. Sometimes that's how it goes. Sometimes you'll come to work and not do anything at all. But don't feel discouraged. It's like sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, sometimes today for me, sometimes today for you. I don't know why Alia make up her face like that. I know at first she had wax. She knows the wax hot. Wax always hot. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. You'll see me in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like if you like my content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. Bye.